Dance Course Arts 1 is a 2-year, full-time, A-level equivalent, industry-facing course taught by industry professionals focused on dance.
There's going to be a lot of ballet classes and jazz classes, all focused around dance and getting everyone's technique.
You need to be so versatile as a dancer now, and you need to be really focused. You take the skill and you learn the technique, but then you put it into practice. Where sometimes you learn the technique and then you don't actually get to put it in like a show or get to put it in a performance. It's different performing it, taking that technique you've learned in class and then putting it on stage. It's a different feeling. Here you get that focus and you get the opportunity to do that.
You meet so many new people that you wouldn't expect to meet at like school or anything, because we get so many artists and people that have gone on into this profession that come in and help us learn more things and just give us more experience and tell us what it's like.
I cannot stress enough how important having the funding has been and it being fully funded, because it just means that it's so much more accessible. I would recommend this course because it's so industry focused, and I think that's what gives it the edge on most of the courses locally.
It's helped me so much to progress in a way that I never thought was even possible for myself. I always feel every time I go into a dance, I leave with something that I didn't know before.